Okay, so we just got back from Homosassa, Florida, and we got some Bay Scallops. I've already done quite a few of them, but I'm gonna show you how to clean one in case you've never done it before. This was actually our first trip, but I feel like I've gotten the hang of things. So you have like a clean looking side and then a dirtier looking side. You're going to put the dirty side up. And if you peek inside there, you'll see like some eyes along the edge. You're going to gently take your spoon and kind of peel those back inside of the shell. And when you look in there, you'll see like the top muscle attached to this part of the shell. You're going to gently push your spoon against the shell and dislodge it. Okay, so you should be left with that. You can take this part of the shell off and throw it away. Now, this looks really gross, but I promise it looks pretty once you're done. You're going to take all of these eyes and kind of peel them back. Turn the shell upside down. Okay, stay still. My son Dylan's videoing this. He's only 5 and he's doing a great job. So you're going to gently take your spoon and not really press against it, just peel away the eyes and the guts. And you can kind of pull with your fingers, and if it doesn't come loose, just peel again. Pull with your fingers if it doesn't come loose. Okay, and you're going to keep peeling away until you can pull it all the way off. And you're left with this, the beautiful part that you can eat. With this part, you're going to, again, carefully dislodge it, scrape it, and boom, there's your scallop that you're going to eat.